Hello everyone, it's Jennifer here at Meisner's. Welcome to Fabulous Fabric Fridays, a series where we highlight fabric that we have in store. This is Tilda's Merry Little Christmas right here. This has been a collection that I have been enjoying. It's so cute and homey. It feels like Christmas. And of course, it's time to get the Christmas projects going. I've been doing that this season. I've been starting with these super cute little mug rugs. I'm going to make one for all my family and give them to them for Thanksgiving so they can enjoy them for the whole month. The fabrics are adorable, it feels cozy and homey, and Tilda fabrics are always fantastic. So this Friday is a great day to start your Christmas planning. If you'd like to have this fabric in your collection, you can find it in stores or at our MeisnerSewing.com. Shop online, shop in stores. We're looking forward to helping you.